Studying for the ASE G1 test? Well, we're here to help. Here's an example question from what you may see on that test. Technician A states that when replacing a water pump, you should use a new gasket or seal. Technician B states that the alignment of the accessory drive belt should be checked for proper alignment and tension. Who is correct? Is it Tech A, Tech B, neither technician, or both technicians?
This video is sponsored by Carter, manufacturers of water pumps and fuel pumps since 1909. Visit carterengineered.com to learn more.
The correct answer is both technicians. Water pump gaskets and seals are not intended to be reused. Always clean and prep the mounting surface of the water pump and use a new gasket or seal to ensure a leak-free repair. You also need to make sure the belt is aligned correctly on the pulleys and the tension is sufficient to operate the water pump. A misaligned pulley or incorrect belt tension can cause premature failure of the water pump. I'm Joe Keene, and good luck on that test. We'll see you next time.